Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to be looking at addition and subtraction patterns. I am going to give you a quick overview of what today and the couple more days this week are going to look like with your math. Please watch this video totally. Now that I have it on Edpuzzle, it shows me how far into the video that you watch. Okay, so some of the patterns that you will get will look something like this. Okay, where you have some numbers. It wants you to fill in the next numbers and to tell the rule. So I've always had the best luck with these. I'm getting my marker here. When I put a little line underneath and I see how many numbers it takes for me to get from 15 to 20. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That was 5. But did I go up 5 adding, or did I go down 5 subtracting? Well, 20 is bigger than 15, so I added. So I need to put a plus sign there. Add 5. Now, that might be my rule, or I could have made a mistake, or it could have a totally different type pattern. So what I need to do now is look to see if 20 plus 5 does equal 25, and if it does, that's going to be my rule. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. It does, so another plus 5. So my rule I need to write is add 5. Then I need to go ahead and fill in my next ones. 25 plus 5. 30. This one's a little bit easier because it's just counting by 5s, but I thought it would be great to start off easier. 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Okay? Now let's look at this next one. Starts with 18 to 24, and then it goes from 24 to 30. How many numbers does it take to get from 18 to 24? 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I counted 6. And 24 is bigger than 18, so we added 6. We need to go ahead and see if this next one, 24 to 30, is still adding 6 to make sure we didn't make any mistakes, or if it's a pattern that increases and then decreases and then increases and then decreases. So 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. That was adding 6 again. So my rule I need to write is what? That's right. Add 6. 30 plus 6. That's an easy one because you just put the 6 there in the ones place. 36. Now I've got to go up 6 more again. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Then 42 plus 6. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. If you can already think those in your head, that's great. But if you need to count them out, I'd rather you use your fingers and count them out and get it right than get it wrong. So let's look at the next one. Once again, the numbers are getting bigger, so we're probably going to have another add rule. Let's see, 27 to 36. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Looks like we're adding 9. Plus 9. Let's see if that's right. 36 plus 9, does that equal 45? Let's see. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. It was 9. So it looks like this pattern, the rule for this pattern is add 9. So now I've got to go 45 plus 9, which is 54. Now I've got to go up 9 more, and I get 63. 63. And then I add 9 more and I get 72. These were some of my nines facts. I was trying to sneak in some nines facts in on you. Okay, that's one way you're going to see patterns this week. Another way you're going to see patterns this week is one of my absolute favorites. They are called input and output boxes. I love these. They are so fun because you can, they're called function machines also. So if you put a number in, what number comes out? Let's look at the one that's written in black first. In went 7, out comes 14. What do I do to 7 to make 14 come out? Well, I could multiply by 2, or I could add 7. So here I'm going to put a plus 7 and a times 2, and I'm not going to try to answer this one yet. I'm going to go down to the other one where they give me the in and out to see what's going on, because if it's multiplying by 2, I'll take 14 and multiply it by 2, but if it's adding 7, I'll only add 7 to 14. That's a big difference in the answer. 14 times 2 is 28, but when I add 7 to 14, that's only 21. So let's look here, 28 and 35. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Okay, that's an adding 7. So it looks like the rule is when something goes in, the number gets, you add 7 in this function machine. So a while ago we said 14 plus 7 is 21. Now I'll mark out some of my little notes there. And when you see this on the computer, you're going to need to get scrap paper out, just like Miss Abby did, to work these out. Okay, this time I've got the number that came out of the machine, but it came out before I saw what number went into the machine. So if the rule is you add 7 to the number that goes in, do I take 63 and add 7? Or am I going to have to take away 7 to see what the mystery number was that went in? That's right. You're going to have to take away 7. So 63 minus 7, and I can do that on my scrap paper here. I'd have to make that a 5 and borrow. That's a 6. 56. So it looks like 56 goes in, 63 would come out. And I can check that by going 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. And I do get that. So that must be correct. Now let's look at the blue input-output machine. This time I have 16 goes in, 6 comes out. Oh, the number got smaller, not larger. So I'm taking away this time. I must be subtracting or dividing, one of the two. So to get from 16 to 6, I would subtract 10. Okay? I can't divide 16 divided by 6 and get anything. So maybe this is a subtraction one. Let's make sure I didn't make any mistakes before I try to answer that. Let's look at the other one that we know. 55 goes in, 45 comes out. Well, if 55 goes in, to get to 45, you would have to subtract 10. So it looks like my rule is subtract. Oh, there goes my paper. 10. So now I'm ready to fill in the other blanks. If somebody puts the number 30 into my input-output machine, what number would come out? 30 minus 10? 20. That's right. Okay, this time I didn't catch the number that went in time. So what is the mystery number that went in? 63 came out. If I already know the outside, I've got to do the opposite of the rule to get what number came in. So if 63 comes out, I would have to add 10 to see what number went in. So that would be 73. And just to check, to make sure I didn't make a mistake in my mind, 73 minus 10 does equal 63. Our input-output machines and math patterns fun. You all make sure that you use scrap paper with this and do your very best. Check your work. Don't rush through this. I know it's kind of new, but I have total faith in you all because you're so smart. I love you very much. Bye.